Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Tasin Tabassum. My ID is 12404054. Currently, I'm studying in Department of Mathematics at Kumila University. Today, I'm going to talk about loops in programming. So let's begin. A loop is control structure that allows us to repeat a block of code multiple times. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we can use a loop. For example, printing numbers from 1 to 100 can be done in a few lines using loop. Now we will talk about the importance of loops. Loops are very important in programming. They avoid code repetition, save both time and efforts. Without it, writing large program would be so difficult. So there are two types of loops. Entry controlled loops like for and while check the condition before execution. Exit controlled loops like do while execute block first and then check condition. At first we will talk about the for loop. For loop is used when we know exact how many times the loop will run. It has three parts: initialization, condition, update. In example, we can see that the loops print from number 1 to 5. First I is initialized to 1, then checks the condition and finally increase by 1 each step. Now we will talk about the while loop. While loop checks the condition first before executing. It is used when the number of repetition isn't known. In the example, we can see that I starts from 1, the condition I less is equals to 5 is checked and loop prints never 1 to 5, number 1 to 5. If the condition is false, it stops. Now we will talk about the do while loop. The do while loop is different because it always runs at least once even if in the condition is false. In the example, we can see that the code block prints I first and then checks the condition I less is equals to 5. That means this is guaranteed to execute at least once. Now we will talk about the loop control statement. So there are two loop control statement we can see in the slide: break and continue. Break actually works like it actually exits the loop and continue skips to the next iteration. Thank you for today.